Meaning of do-it-yourself.
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 Do-it-yourself. The term do-it-yourself or DIY refers to the practice of creating, repairing, or modifying things oneself rather than relying on paid professionals. This can include anything from home repairs and renovations to crafting and fashion projects. DIY projects often involve learning new skills and can be rewarding both financially and personally. The end result of a successful DIY project is a sense of accomplishment and pride in having created something with one's own hands, as well as enjoying the benefits of a job well done.